Hi, Tom here. In this Circle Line Art School video, I'd like to show you one way in which you can build your own online art portfolio website so that you can showcase the art that you make. In this video, you'll see how I put together a website portfolio of my own drawings, something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I was recently contacted by a company called Wix who are kindly sponsoring this video today. Wix is a website builder that enables you to make fantastic looking, professional online art portfolios. Wix website builder is available for free if you go to wix.com/go/circleline and then use the promo code CIRCLE15. You'll get 15% off a yearly premium plan by using your code CIRCLE15. Let's get started. First step is to go to wix.com and sign up for a new account. Once you've put in your email and a password, you can start to create your own first site. So what website do I want? Well, I want a portfolio, so I'll click here. Now I have a choice. I think I'd like to choose a template. I think I'll look at the creative arts here. Here's visual arts. You can view the template before you choose it so that you can see what it will look like online. So they all look great, but I think I'll stick to this template, Art School. So let's work out how to edit this template. One of the best aspects of Wix for me is the way you can drag and drop and move any element that you see on the page. You can just see what you are doing as you do it. You can use this undo button here at the top if you get in a mess, and there are lots of options to change the look of everything. I think I'll start with this text box here. It says creativity. If I just click on the text box, then I can select this edit text option and change the text to what I want. I want it to say Circle Line Art School. Right, now I'd like to add an image above this text, so if I go over here to this add button on the left, this plus button on the left, then choose image, then my image uploads, then I can select upload media here, then upload from computer, from my computer. I will go to my documents and open a folder where I keep some of the drawing files that are on my computer. Now I think I will select all of these image files of mine so that I can move them from my computer, and then in that way I have all of the images I want at hand when I'm building this site. Now I can select one of these images and then click Add to Page. Now I can drag and drop and resize this logo of mine until I have it just right, just how I like it. And I'll know that because when it looks right, it is right. Next, I want to change the background of this template to a clear background. So I just click on the background area and select Change Strip Background. And now I have lots of choices. I think I'll see what that looks like. So that looks great. That's the top of my page done. Now, if I scroll down, this template has a gallery, an image gallery. Here it is. This is an image gallery with various pictures on it, and it looks great, but I want to change the images to make them my own. So if I click here on Manage Media, and now I see all of the images have numbers to them, and I want to replace the first number, the first image, with my own image. So I go Replace Image here, I select Replace Image, and then it opens up my loaded up media files that I've already loaded up. Click on one of my images, and then Add to Page. And now we see it there. Now I can keep going through, selecting my own images for each one of these. Add to Page. Replace Image. I think I'll choose that one. Add to Page. Replace Image. Add to Page. replace image, add to page, replace image, add to page, replace image, add to page, and then replace image, add to page. So now I've got a series of images, and I'll click done. Next, let's make a quick gallery from scratch. First go to the plus button up here on the sidebar and then click on the add. And then here we can see a variety of options, and we want to go to the strip, which is going to give us a blank area on the template. So scroll down and select strip. Then I want a white strip, so I'll choose classic and then white and click on there. And now I have this area here, which is a new strip. Now on this strip I want to add a gallery, so I go back to the add button on the sidebar, I click on that, and then this time rather than strip I can choose gallery, and then here we've got a whole selection of different designs of galleries, which you can just choose one. I think I'll use this animated slide here under more galleries. So if I click on that, then the gallery has landed onto the white strip that I just chose, and within this gallery I can now change the elements within it to make it just the way I want. So the first thing I'll do is to change the image, because I don't want the template image. So I click on change images, and then I want to add images, and then we find my uploaded media, and just for speed I'll choose one of these. I click on it, add to gallery. So the first image in this slide placer is going to be this one. Let me replace just another image as well. So I chose that one, I think I'll choose this one. Choose image. So the first two images are mine, and I'll do the others some other time. Here we could change the title of these and the description, but I won't do that now. I'll just press done. And now we have the image here, my drawing. Next we can add a title and a description to our image here. So I think I'll go on to images, and for this image here which we've got up, I can change that to whatever I want. I think I'll just call it drawing 1, and then we can describe our image here. And then if you wanted to, you could add a link here and then just click done. And now we've got drawing 1, a drawing. On here there are some other icons, so settings, layout and design. So layout, for example, for the text, we can just click that and it moves the text alignment to justification in the middle and then to the side. I think I'll keep it where it is. And then here with the design, we could change this gallery again, but I might just customize my design a little bit. So here on the slide that we're on at the moment, we've got this color. So I click on the color and then I can choose some other color and straight away see which one works best. So I think I might stay with that one there. So we just stick with that. And there we have a new gallery. If you go up to here, you can switch the view of your website, so you can see what it looks like on a desktop, and also you can switch to see what it looks like on a mobile. I'm really pleased with the look of this new art portfolio that I'm building on Wix.com. I hope you're encouraged to build your own online art gallery. It's great fun to play with and to be able to make a professional looking website to showcase your art. If you're interested in trying this out, I would provide the links in the description for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you check out my new website, circlelineartschool.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Wix Website Builder is available for free if you go to wix.com/go/circleline and then use the promo code CIRCLE15. You'll get 15% off a yearly premium plan by using your code CIRCLE15.